This is a individual tax return questionnaire, and if you're an Australian-based accountancy firm, ITR season obviously is around the way, and you might be looking at how you can best do this. I'm actually going to run you through an automated process that one of our firms implemented. They used Ignition to send out the ITR proposal. Once that was accepted, it would then send this request out that pretty much covers everything, and there's a lot of conditional questions in here, so the clients only ever see stuff that's relevant to them. The way that this works is in Zapier, they have Ignition. So the trigger is proposal accepted. Once that is done, you can actually pull this information through the proposal, so you can test this if you want. In here, you'll be able to pull things like the client name, their email address. So you can see here, there's my name. I can actually pull the proposal name as well, ITR, and then there is the email address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a first step. I'm going to call this filter. The filter is very, very simple. It's literally going to be only continue if the proposal name, choose condition, contains ITR, like so. So that's only going to continue if ITR is in the proposal name. The next step is in Content Snare. What we're going to do here, we're going to create a request. So create that request. From here, we can choose that template name. So the individual tax return. So I can't seem to find it. We'll just choose that one for now. The request name, we can call this whatever we want, but I'm actually just going to use the proposal name, ITR proposal. You can call that whatever you want. So you might just call it ITR, right? The client email, we can pull that from the data that we've already captured in Ignition. So there's my email. The name, again, I can pull that from Ignition. So all of this information is readily available from the proposal. If I want to add this stuff in here, I can. The due date, I don't have a specific due date, so I'm just going to do plus 1 month. Freely type that. Comments, yes, I want them to be able to ask comments. Communication template, so this is the automatic follow-ups. In Content Snare, password, we don't want password. Share link, true, like so. And then status, published. Team member, we'll probably go ahead and assign that to whoever comes up first. All right, cool. Hit continue. So what would happen now once I publish this app is I'd send out the proposal via Ignition for the ITR. The client signs and pays. Once they've accepted that proposal, they'd automatically get their Content Snare ITR request. And then from your team's actual perspective, what they would see is just the information coming in this screen here. So you can see ITR. I can see the information coming in, and then from there I can look through all of the answers and just progress the work. One of our firms automates that ITR process.